would you guys as a team make more money if you had your CDL too?
Yes.
So
money that you can make working in a team is attractive, but
do you find yourself wanting to do that?
I think I would try if he had
Automatic.
automatic
No,
truck.
no, no,
I don't like
automatic.
stick.
No, it's maybe we will compromise on that, or I will compromise on that.
Jenna's the same way.
But-
She's like, if it's automatic, I might get my CDL, but she
yeah.
doesn't want to learn that, and I get it. So,
She's tried stick. Okay. Now, when you're, pull it out.
It wasn't the second year.
Okay, turn away. Left. Don't hit the car hauler with brand new Lincolns. Do it again.
Oh,
There you go. See,
that's it.
I didn't say to.
Yeah.
Okay, so you see how it pops out of gears.
I thought I have to let off the gas first and then move it.
Stop the truck, Dasha. You already crashed 5. It's going. Okay, put a neutral and stop the truck. Or go left. I don't know, do something.
Oh, it's too narrow.
What do you mean too narrow? There's plenty of space. Go left. This is the biggest space you got.
Okay, right.
All right. You want to switch gears? Rev it up to 1,200 and go to second gear. Okay. Now, when you're, pull it out.
It wasn't the second year, right? Это нейтралка?
I don't know.
Это нейтралка. А с нейтралки можно во вторую?
Да.
Просто вниз, да?
Not that high RPMs. Oh, that's something. Oh my goodness, this turn is sharp. I just popped you back in neutral because you're going to go way too fast on this turn. Daska, you're in neutral, okay?
What?
Now you're in first gear. Give it gas. Let go. Let go of the gas. Let go of the gas. Yeah. Okay. Don't rev it that high.
Hi.
You let off the gas.
Oh. Why didn't you?
Let off the gas. Let off. Crush it. You broke it.
I broke, you touched it.
Let off the gas. A little bit of gas. Feather. We're already rolling that we could put it in like 6th gear.
Let's go.
You want to go faster. What are you doing? Okay, try to stop the truck. You're in gear. Try to figure out how to stop it.
Go to neutral and stop.
Yeah.
And then start again.
Yeah.
Ой, сзади трак едет. Мне страшно, а что делать? Идем за мной.
Dasha, stop the truck, please. Slowly apply the brakes. Slowly. We got pineapples flopping all over in the back.
I did. I stopped.
You did it? Okay, good job. All right. Again? Yeah, go. Clutch in, first gear. Or granddaddy low. Right there. This one. Keeps falling off. There you go. Okay, second gear. As soon as you, or first gear, as soon as you got, there you go. Okay, next gear. Try to,
Why is it so hard to move?
because you need to be pushing it a little bit to take it out of gear and then let go of the gas and it will pop out. somewhere in Ohio. Dasha's trucking in. 18 wheeling.
This is fun.
Okay, next gear.
Forward?
Stop. What you did there, you try to take it out after you already let go of the gas. But do it at the same time. Push a little bit on it.
It
Dasha.
doesn't go forward.
Yeah, because this is what you did. Turn left. Turn left. Go wide. Go toward the front of that truck and then turn away from him when you get too close. Okay, turn away. Left. Don't hit the car hauler with brand new Lincolns.
It's okay, there's plenty of space.
I don't trust you that much yet. Okay, so what you did is you let go of the gas and then you're trying to take it out of gear.
That's what you said me to do, no?
Dasha, just push on it like this. Push on this. Now, keep pushing. Don't stop. Now, with your foot on the gas, slowly let go of the gas. Do it again.
Oh!
There you go. See,
That's easy.
I didn't say that.
Yeah.
Okay, so you see how it pops out of gears.
I thought I have to let off the gas first and then move it stick.
And you shift it really fast, grinding it till you find in it. Okay, so you want to stop again and try again?
Okay.
Stop the truck. Stop the truck right now. Stop. No, that's the next gear. Take it out of gear.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, what'd you do? Stop the truck, Dasha. You already crashed. 5. What'd you do?
Quiet.
Look, reliable. Look at him going nicely over there.
Wait, but I went to neutral.
You went to neutral? No, you didn't. You went to another gear. You went in neutral and passed it. That's what you did. You're in like gear 4 right now.
Well, I'm parked.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.